Today we will see how to solve a given polynomial by Newton-Raphson method through 82 ms calculator directly. So first write down the given polynomial. Let us assume this polynomial to be f of x. Now find the derivative of f of x. Now to find the roots exactly of this given polynomial, we have to find the limit values into which the given roots will occur. So now the given roots of the polynomial will occur within a certain limit value. So to find that, we have to put some value of x in f of x. So let me assume x to be minus 1. So keeping this value in f of x, then by keeping the value of x is equals to minus 1, it comes minus 1, which is less than 0. Now for the second value, we put x is equals to minus 2. Keeping this x is equals to minus 2 in f of x, we get 11, which is greater than 0. So it is clear that the roots lies between minus 2 to minus 1. Among these two, we have to choose only one number. So we are taking as our x0 is equals to minus 2. So by Newton's Raphson formula, if we apply the value of x0 in this, and then we have to calculate the other values x1, x2 and x3 in the same manner, which will be a lengthy process. So not going in this method, I am going to teach you how to find this answer, the whole answer, just by using this 82 ms calculator. So for this, let us move back to our x0. We just have to assume a thing. Assume x0, which is equals to 2 as answer. Just simply type minus 2 on the calc and equals to it, which is equals to your answer. Now here comes the main formula. The main formula is, as we have to follow this only. So in place of x0, we have to keep as answer. So in the calc we'll keep, so in the paper we'll keep that answer minus f of answer upon f dash of answer. So when we'll go into the through calc, just type answer, which is equals to minus 2. Now with the formula minus, just put double bracket and the given polynomial answer. So answer raised to 4 minus answer raised to 3 plus 10 into answer plus 7, and just close a single bracket. Now divide this thing by taking one more bracket, open bracket. Divide this thing just by f dash x as given in the formula. Our f dash x is 4 answer cube minus 3 answer square plus 10. Now just simply close the bracket, double bracket. Now just click on the equal to button. It shows the answer of our f of x1 is equals to minus 1.6764. So friends, see how easily we get the answer of x1. So in the same manner, we have to find x2, x3, x4 till the two values of x2 or x3 will not match together. So this will be a lengthy process again. So just to find the next successor value, just click on the equals to value. The value which comes next on the calci, it shows your x2. Then again for the x3, just click on to the next value. And for in the same way we have to just clicking on the equal. So just by clicking on this equals to value, we get the various values of x3 and x3, x1, x2 and x3 and continue. So by using this calci method, we can find the further values of x2, x3, x4 till we find the two nearly same value or exact same value of x. At the point where we get the same values of x, we will get the answer. Like in this case, we are getting the same values of x3 and x4, which is equals to minus 1.4536, which is the root of the given polynomial. So friend, see how easily we can calculate this hectic polynomial just by using simple calci method. Thank you.